Okay, so welcome back, guys. The project for today is we're going to try and change out the gasket on the exhaust manifold here. So it's just getting a little bit of leaking of exhaust fumes. I'm going to try and catch that. Get you guys sit down here. See if I can't catch that on camera so you can see it before and after. So I'm going to start it up real fast. I'm not sure it's easy to see it, again, it is leaking from there a little bit, so we're going to open it up and see what we can get figured out. It shouldn't be on there that hard unless they've seized up. They're only supposed to be on here at 14. They are on there tight. Okay. Getting them loosened up with this, I should be able to get them off. The other one fine. Here's the gasket that's bad, which is definitely bad. Let's see if we can't get that cleaned up. So I ordered most of my parts. I have to pay full price, but they don't give me anything through Allstate's AG parts. They seem to be quick with shipping. The prices are very competitive, and I've had to call them a couple times for little things here or there, and they've always been helpful. So I would recommend them so far, but again, it's not like a sponsor or anything. Not that I have anywhere near enough views for that. So, exhaust manifold, 14 pounds. Bolts. Obviously, this is long. It's almost as long as my breaker bar, so it would have definitely broken those loose. But the problem with that is, then you're going to get it out of calibration a lot faster. So it's just not a good idea. So right now it's set to 10. So these numbers here are going to show you where you're at. So we're going to go just above 10 to the 4, be 14. And you're going to snug down that screw. And you're just going to do about a half a turn. Clicks. 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 Check them all to make sure. Yep. 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 Should be good to go. We will start it up. Let's see if I can tell the difference. Well, that wasn't smoking as much as usual there a minute ago. That's how that works, I guess. safe. But that's changing out the gasket on an exhaust manifold for a Massey 240, and this is 1984.